You can expect a lot from the 2018 Kia Forte. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.